Today our topic is on introduction to fertilizers. So biofertilizer. We know commonly fertilizers are utilized for as a manures as well as for compost for fertile your system and to protect the plant from insecticide and pesticides. So in the same way human needs to eat properly. So to give a healthy plant, to provide healthy plants, we need a healthy soil as well as a healthy growth of a plant to provide a healthy yield. Because healthy yield and growth of the plant, we need a fertilizer as a substance which should be added to the soil to protect the plant from the insecticides uh, insects and pests and as a natural substance to increase the fertility. So they are like a food supplement to the plant, and there are about 16 inputs required for the healthy plant to be. So what is fertilizer? Is it is a natural or a synthetic means of fertilizer? It is a natural as well as synthetic medicine, which is applied to the soil or to the plant tissues to supply natural nutrients to the plants and to the growth of the plants, to grow your plants. So you have two different forms of fertilizer. That is complete plus incomplete form of fertilizer. So complete, which will have all the three types of primary nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So it should have, for example, it should have the ratio of 10:1, 10 or 50:50. These are the combination of these types of basic primary nutrients. So normally we know the soil has a nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. So these are the main nutrients which is required in the plant to grow. So incomplete plants, incomplete fertilizers, the, which is going to be which will not have any one of the constants, does not have all three primary nutrients, any one constants or any two of the constants will be missing. That is the incomplete fertilizers. So there are three different forms of fertilizer. They're basically in the form of that is the natural forms which is to be applied in the soil are granular forms of fertilizer, powder forms of fertilizer as well as liquid. Liquid we use to spray, right? In powders we use to uh, put it on the soil as well as granular. So this is designed granular material which is dissolved in a water solution that is to be sprayed, and powder is also dissolved in water for liquid feeding to soil and foliage. And normally liquids are concentrated from to be mixed with water and sprayed in the soil. The three forms are sprayed. It is not directly directly applied to the soils. Either they are dissolved or either they are diluted in the form of water and then only they are sprayed in the form of foliar as well as in the direct. So they are classified into straight, complex, and mixed forms of fertilizer. So straight fertilizer those which have only one primary nutrient. So any one of the plant primary nutrient that is nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. Urea which has ammonium sulfate, potassium chloride, and potassium sulfate. So these are the main primary nutrients. Whereas complex nutrients contains two or three primary plant nutrients which were uh, primary nutrients are in chemical formation. Usually these types of complex fertilizer is in granular. For example, diammonium phosphate, microphosphorus, ammonium phosphate. So if you get straight fertilizer, you have only your potassium as a nutrient content. Whereas in complex, you have both ammonia as well as that is nitrogen as well as your phosphate residues as your complex fertilizers. Mixed fertilizer, you can have all a physical mixture of straight fertilizer and they contain two or three primary plant nutrients. So nearby supplementing the into either mechanically or manually. So what is non-organic? So you know generic fertilizers. So they are in the form of granular or liquid or in water form. They are applied in soil as a which has the primary nutrients of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So these are applied to the soil for the natural plant. So we have different types of fertilizers, organic, inorganic, and biofertilizers in these decades. And these differ by their chemical phosphate as well as the nature of the preparation as well as the source which they have been utilized for. So what is inorganic fertilizer? So inorganic fertilizer includes the substances, nutrient elements, single form or in a number of substances. So any materials which is directly to the soil for the purpose of promoting your plant growth, which increase your fertilizer or promotes the quality of the plant, as well as your fertilizer, right? So what is inorganic fertilizer? How they are distinguished from other natural products of organic base or other sources. So inorganic fertilizers are minerals. So they are the term was defined by the International Mathematics and Development Officer ISO, in which declared nutrition, that is a standard nutrient components from organic source organic diet, extractions, and physical or chemical exchange process. So these works immediately as a rescue treatment that are unhealthy or even bad. So the advantage of inorganic fertilizer is to rescue to protect the plant which is going to die. So they are relatively cheap and very good for location, and they are convenient for the use and saves a lot of time and it is quite cheap and even easier to use. So the commercial source of inorganic fertilizers are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. So nitrogen, the common source is provided from the animal manures and waste and green manures. So animal manures and waste and green manures. So legumes and other spices grown and fermented. Commercial inorganic sources include salts of ammonia and potassium. Phosphorus is animal manures, a source of phosphorus. So that is they are using the dungs of animals. So are made primarily from rock phosphate. Most common fertilizer source of phosphorus is superphosphate, which contains 16 to 70% of phosphoric acid, and potassium. So they are used to replace the soil surface. Commercial fertilizer may be purchased as a potassium sulfate, the direct fertilizer. Okay. The nitrate form is the most expensive, and as it is cost effective only uh, when you apply high premium crops such as vegetables and animals. So next is the organic fertilizer. So an organic fertilizers refers to a soil elements derived from natural sources. So they are derived from the natural sources. These elements are derived from the natural sources. That is carbon compost, inorganic compost. So the minimum percentage of nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium. So any organic material can be used as fertilizers. So any materials which is considered to be organic components can be utilized as a fertilizer. So I use organic fertilizer instead of inorganic fertilizer. So most important natural resources, which is very crucial for the this is why it is crucial to save and protect it, consider the person and also the plants. So it is other fast to preserve the humus topsoil. That is the topsoil of your plant. There's a humus content and increase the organic matter content and provide the improve the nutrient providing ability and to carry on environment friendly industries use organic fertilizers. So organic fertilizers are utilized to fertile the soil, to improve the soil nutrients naturally. So to preserve the humid conditions of the topsoil is present. So there are different types of organic fertilizers we may categorize: manures, compost, green manures, plants, couple, and residues. So manures already. So one of all organic fertilizer which is a good source of manure is an excellent source for organic materials, which can be soil as well. eat pieces and so fresh menus are made available from the livestock producers. So commercially packaged meat and meat company compost, so which is meat made with this made from materials like yard waste, sawdust, industrial products waste like say bran or the oil cakes. So these industrial byproducts. So companies are generally ready to mix with other soils. No longer it is being material additional for customer. So it is shifting the norm from again standardized inside because we use our chemicals. Right? So when they are turned into compost, so they turn the soil, the nitrogen content is being converted, it turns the soil compost into brown color. So that is why they look like in a dark brown. Mostly they are in the granular. They are only in the powder forms as the compost is converted to the earthworms which is utilizing or which is being utilized to convert the organic materials sources. So it makes only to the crystal forms, not in our powder forms. So they can be directly applied. So these are the animal manures and compost. So human manure, some people every time still just chemical manure, chemical soil management, sewage floods. There are chemical so that has been replaced. These excreta treated the wastewater excavation and can be the sludge which has been excreted from the sewage waste. Can be green manure. Green manure is the organic fertilizer. The purpose of turning is a whole mass into the soil like a fertilizer where it reduces movement. So green manures are crops grown for the express purpose of plowing the so they are like they use rhizobium soil rhizobiums to fix the nitrogen source in the soil, so green manure right? So they are mainly using the rhizobiums, that is soil friendly organisms, that is the rhizobium, which helps to fix the nitrogen in the soil. So incorporation of every minute. So you can soak the leaf plant, the organic leaf of waste in your farmland and it can be incorporated into the soil by soaking the waste in the soil for 2 or 3 days and planting them continuously for 2 or 3 days so that the organic waste is rotated from the soil from downwards to upwards and upwards to the downwards so that it continuously rotated and the plucking process helps to circulate the soil content. So it can be converted. The materials which is being decomposed and on the surface, then the next day when you are so plucking, it goes similarly, the organic matter which is decomposed in upper surface, then again it is. So during plucking, these soils are circulated, so the soil can be fertile so during the process of the incorporation of green manure. So plant, stubble, and root systems. So the roots of fertilizers plays a significant role in maintenance of soil fertility because they are capable of collecting nutrients and improve the structure of the soil. So they have a great advantage of organic manures because they are homogeneously mixed in the soil and it is good organic waste to be expedient. As it is normally the roots are adapted to the soil. So not only this studying upon to who having their research express a problem of that. That is a problem. The key system activities is to process activities and computation activities. Various use of it to convert the besides the root systems, distributors also have a remarkable role. They are also increasing the flowing down the height. So other fertilizers heat. Is also suitable for organic fertility, primarily besides the harmful characteristics of the plant. any other organic or toxic waste which is being released during the organic process. These things are helpful to uh, utilize the water. So the disadvantages are the case microscopic ability and practically specifically the use of odorless materials and that considerable decrease of the number of particles. So lime is one of the naturally occurring ways to be affecting the rocks. It contains high amount of calcium and nutrient content. Nothing but a limestone. So the inhabitants of the coast that have been used to even their native one of the sources to of the clearing the crushing the rocking. The other fertilizers currently that the value products in the West must be properly planted. There is a liquid product which is bright green and organic. So these algae is also can be utilized for as fertilizers as spray materials for the soil to improve the soil resources. Bacterial fertilizers are not common. There is a brilliant accidental science that is some of the natural floral organisms of soil, free living organisms of soil are helpful to fix the nitrogen content in the soil. So they use the chemical fertilizer from the nitrogen conversion. So you can utilize these free living floral organisms especially in the soil as a nitrogen fixation. One well-known process in environmental cost. So heat and lime.